Blacked out Jeep Wrangler here. Gotta apologize. It's been a while since I've been up here. Been missing in action for a bit. We all got stuff going on in our lives. Had to take a little break, but here I am again. Beautiful sunny day, and I'm at the Jeep shop. Let's get the intro rolling. Alright guys, so I had an idea now. Let's head inside and let's look at accessories for a person that's on budget. So be it if you're a student or if your significant other has a handle or a control over you. It happens. Nothing to be ashamed about. So we're going to be looking at items that are 50 bucks and under that you can add onto your Jeep. I think this is going to be a fantastic idea. I think this is going to be really cool. Let's head inside. Alright guys, so we just made it in and we got our man Neo over here. He's gonna talk to us about the accessories that are $50 and under, and then we'll take a look at some other cool stuff that you have as well. Sure. So let's get to it, guys.
Right. So there's always, especially when you get a new Jeep, you always want to get an antenna.
Right.
Everybody wants to get rid of those long ones that just swing around and get damaged in car washes. So $25 right over here.
Wow.
Yeah, over here is also under 50. This one runs for $39.99. Okay. What this is just a cowl protector, especially when, as right now, summertime, people are taking off the doors. And sometimes people forget to put back those straps, and the door ends up swinging all the way back. So the mirror now ends up putting a dent in that cowl area.
So that's what this is for.
Yeah, in a way. Yeah, it's a good cover up.
Yes, yes.
So people get that for that.
Right.
So we got the fuel cover.
Okay.
So this is the NV fuel cover. This is the new 3D one. Similar to what you have a Jeep logo on it. Very much similar. It's just a sticker change. So this is branded by NVE Off-Road. Yeah, pretty cool.
Pretty cool. I have something similar to that on my Jeep as well. It's really happy.
It's a nice fuel cover.
It is, and that's going for?
That's $45. These guys here, the little inserts for the headlights, they're just giving that little angry look to it.
Oh, okay.
These are also $39.99 a pair.
$39.99 a pair. Alright guys, you can take a look at that as well. So it gives you that angry look without changing your whole grill out. Right.
For a two-door, these run for $29.99. A good accessory to have in your Jeep, because especially when you get a new Jeep, that's a lot of foot traffic that happens, right? You don't want to scratch up the paint, so these things are good protectors. It's like a good insurance for your Jeep.
Amazing.
One of those four doors are $39.99, so you got the black ones as well. So also, like, you got an upgraded bumper, right?
Yes.
So like, you could dress it up with some D-rings. So we got D-rings over here. We got the Smitty Built black ones. These are $17.99. The red ones, same price over here. Also, when you get D-rings, like if you just leave them on bare and you go over bumps, you may notice the D-ring comes back, smacking back the bumper.
Right.
That what ends up happening is it damages the bumper, exposes the bare metal, and starts rusting. So in order to avoid that, Daystar sells these cool little isolators over here.
Okay.
So you mount these onto the D-rings over here, prevents it from damage, no noise, and gives it a nice little look. You can get red, black, pink, blue, green, all sorts of different colors. So Daystar. A pair of Daystar isolators go for $23.94, $93. Okay. Available on our website. Yeah. So again, back in the $39.99 range, you get foot pegs. Awesome little product over here. So put those on, get some comfortability, and ride nice and free. $39.99 right over here.
Amazing. So yeah, these are it over here.
Great little add-on for automatic transmission drivers. Dead pedal. Dead pedal. You get them in different colors. You can get them in red. You can get them in black over here.
Nice.
Also back in the $39 range, and again, it's all about comfortability, add some style, different colors. Other items are, we got the steering wheel trims over here. So these guys go for around $20. Automatic transmissions, you got the gear trim. They come in a variety of colors. You get red, silver, blue. So those are available. Stickers also. These are the 16 by 16, also available by 19 by 19 if you wanted to do them on the hood. They're 15 bucks each. Really cool. Right behind me, everything's around here around 10 bucks. So you get the silicone key covers over here. You get the Angry Bird looking keychains. These are pretty cool. These are like around $15. They are, I think we did these last year actually.
Yes, yes.
Those are awesome. Little pouches for your keys, protected. Lots of other cool things. Trail rated badges. the Jeep emblems. Also, I do have a free item over here.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna give
Thank you.
Terraflex keychain.
Wow, look at that.
And I'm gonna give you an NB keychain. So this is for you.
Amazing.
It's a gift over here. And if we have these in stock, I'd love to give you these. So come visit us.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there you go.
These are cool. Thanks, Neo. I really appreciate it.
No worries.
Amazing. These
Cool.
are definitely going on my keys. Wicked.
So yeah, other stuff that we got here that's under 50 bucks. We got the roll bar grab handles.
Okay.
So as a pair, these guys go for around 25 bucks. You get a set of 2 of those. You get them in red or black.
Nice.
Also got the 7-piece set of drill inserts. These guys over here, 39 bucks as well. So a lot of stuff for 39 bucks.
Amazing.
Not bad.
Amazing.
Oh, cool little thing. So especially when people get a brand new Jeep and stuff, and
Yeah.
the dealer puts that plate on for you.
Right.
License plate covers. Yeah.
Beautiful.
10 bucks.
Right.
10 bucks for
Especially-
one.
Especially if you have like a nice, either like a good contrasting color Jeep, like
Yeah.
white with black or red with black
Yeah, exactly.
or black on black. That looks really nice.
It does, yeah.
For
Like
sure.
that. So 10 bucks each, not bad.
Not bad.
And there's other stuff here as well if you want to go up a little bit more on the budget.
Uh-huh.
Getting the grab handles, door handle inserts, not far off from the $50 range. So
Okay. Just what would you say about like in the $60 range or so?
yeah,
Or?
yeah, exactly. So these are around like 65 for the fronts, 65 for the rears as well. But as a combo, you get a better price.
Right.
So block that up. These guys here are 79 bucks, a set of 2 of those.
Okay.
Door handle inserts come in a variety of colors. You got red, white, black, silver. Time to time, we do have the powder coat version of these black ones available. So 39 bucks again for a 2-door. I think around 59 bucks for a 4-door, which is 5 pieces. You get the trunk included with it.
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Beautiful. We're gonna get Neo to actually show us some stuff that are just a slight bit over 50. Some lighting, which is always nice to have on your Jeep. So let's move over that way and take a look. Just when you guys are ready to increase your limit, I was looking at that rugged ridge antenna.
Yeah, that's right. So this is this mounts onto the back of your tire carrier over here. It's an RBG antenna. Right now it's in demo mode. It comes with this cool remote.
Okay.
So you can, let's say, once you're done with demoing, we can go into different colors. So if you want to set up as a solid red, you can do that. Pick your color, set it up the way you want, and say if it's white, at least this is a nice legal color.
Yes.
The purpose of this antenna is obviously we're using it for show and for style, but when you're actually on the trails at dark and everything, at nighttime and stuff like that, and you're looking for your buddies, right, where everybody is, everyone's gonna have a different color. So one guy will be white, next guy will be orange. You can spot
Good
them.
idea.
Yeah, got that colorful flag, you can find them.
Yes.
Flag, on the other hand, you don't have to have it on it.
Okay.
Getting some people saying these are flag is detachable. It is. So if you
Okay.
just want the antenna in a color, you totally have that.
Nice.
We also got in LED Viper taillights over here.
Awesome. Now, do you have that on demo? Like, can we?
do,
Oh,
yeah, so
let's take a look.
These are
Wow.
You got side marker lights as well over here.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna turn around here.
Sure.
You got your flashers.
Oh, neat.
Pretty cool, pretty
It
bright.
is.
And the reverse.
And the reverse.
That's one of the brighter
Wow.
reverses I've seen on most taillights.
Yes.
Signals again.
Thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah, no
And we got an amazing project happening in your install bay right now.
We just installed the new NV stubby bumper, added the Trail Effect 9500 winch on this. Looks pretty cool.
Beautiful. All right, guys, so that's how it's done on a budget. I want to really thank you very much for your time.
No problem,
and,
man. Pleasure as always.
so you guys can actually start accessorizing your Jeep. Cost should never really stop because there's always something or the other
That's right,
that you can get put onto your Jeep, and then you don't have to break the bank,
Yeah.
kind of thing like that, right? So I'm gonna have Neil's information below the video as well, so you guys can check it out. If you guys are local or within the Ontario region over here, do come check him out. Amazing stuff. And you do installs.
Yeah, we do installs here, so come on down and love to work on your Jeep.
Amazing. Well, thanks a lot again. We'll see you soon.
For sure.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Take Take care.
Thank you for
Thanks
visiting.
a lot. Anytime.
Take it easy.
All right, take care, guys. Remember, please subscribe, hit the like, share, and Jeep, just empty every pocket.